Good morning, students. Earlier we are at the last question of exercise 3.3, question number 8. So now we will begin from this question and then we will go to the exercise 3.4 also. So let us begin at question 8. Here the part of money spent in different assets is 2 upon 5 part first, 1 upon 8 part second, and 1 upon 6 part third. And we have to find the total part of money spent. So all these part of money are added. Part means fraction. 2 upon 5 is fraction, 1 upon 8 fraction, 1 upon 6 fraction, and when we add them, that is also a part, a major part. 83 upon 120 here we are obtaining, and this is the total part of the money spent. And LCM of 5, 8 and 6 is 120. So 5 into 24 is 120. So 2 is multiplied by 24, we get 48. 8 multiplied by 15 is 120. So 1 is multiplied by 15. 6 20s are 120, 1 is multiplied by 20 here, so we get 48 plus 15 plus 20, which on adding gives us 83, and denominator remain as it is 120, so our final sum is 83 upon 120, which means that 83 upon 120 part of money was spent in total. Now coming to the exercise 3.4, here question 5 again, just you have to do like an example 2, and this exercise is for the subtraction of rational numbers. Here question number 6, 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4, this is in bracket. Firstly we have to solve the bracket according to the BODMAS rule. And when bracket is solved, so 3 and 4 LCM 12, and in the numerator part we get 4 minus 3, which is 1. So we get 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 12. And then in next step, LCM of 2 and 12 is 12. 2 6 are 12, so 1 6 are 6. 12 1s are 12, 1 1 are 1. So in the numerator part, we get 6 minus 1, which is 5. So finally we get 5 upon 12. Now this is the left hand side part. Then right hand side part is also calculated, which was 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. In the right hand part, bracket is shown to you differently, means bracket is put in the first two rational numbers, and earlier the bracket was for the last two rational numbers. And when we calculate the right hand side part, 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3 within bracket minus 1 upon 4, and within bracket we get 3 minus 2 by 6, which is 1 upon 6, then we get 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 4, and then LCM of 6, 4 is again 12, 6 to the 1 to the 12, and 4 3 the 1 3 the 3, and finally we get 2 minus 3 upon 12, which is minus 1 upon 12, and here we come to know that 5 upon 12 and minus 1 upon 12 are not equal. It was asked in the question that are the two results equal, and we have obtained both the results different. So our conclusion is that the two results are not equal, and there is an important property which is the associative property of rational numbers for subtraction, and associative property of rational number for subtraction is not valid as we have obtained unequal RHS and LHS part. So associative property of subtraction is not found in rational numbers. Moving to question number 7. Part A, 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 8. Here we have to solve it, simplify it. 24 is the LCM of 3, 4 and 8. 3 8 are 1 8 are 8 in the numerator part. 4 3 are 12, so 3 3. 4 6 are 24, so 3 6 are 18. And 8 3 are 24, 7 3 are 20. And finally we get 18 plus 8, 26 minus 21 upon 24, and at last we get the result 5 upon 24. Coming to part B, 7 upon 8 minus within bracket 11 upon 12 plus 4 upon 5, and again remember, first we have to solve the bracket. So here bracket is open. When bracket is open, then this minus sign will be with both of these numbers. So 7 upon 8 minus 11 upon 12 and minus 4 upon 5 as shown here, and then this is calculated completely. LCM of 8, 12, 5 is 120. Then 8 15s are 120. Then 7 is multiplied by 15. We get 105. Then 12 10s are 120, 10 times, so 11 is multiplied by 10, we get 110. Then 5 24s are 120, so 4 is multiplied by 24, we get minus 96. Then 110 and 96, these negative are added separately, we get minus 206. So in the next step we have 105 minus 206 upon 120, which is equal to final answer minus 101 upon 100. Part C is about mixed fraction. There are mixed fraction and same type of question is there. First fraction, subtraction process, then within the bracket two rational numbers. When same thing is in part B also, but in part C we have the mixed fraction. So firstly convert the mixed fraction part in improper fraction part. 3 to the 6 and 1 7, so this will be 7 upon 3. 3 to the 6 plus 1 7 upon 3 as it is. Same 1 to 7 plus 4 11 upon 7. 7 1 just 7 plus 4 11 upon 7 as it is. Denominator will remain as it is. And in the same way, 5 upon minus 5 upon 21 is already in the form of proper fraction. And after this, now we will solve it completely. This is minus 7 upon 3, then minus 11 upon 7, minus 5 upon 21. Now, bracket is opened. When bracket is opened, then we get minus 7 upon 3, minus 11 upon 7, and here minus will come plus, we get plus 5 upon 21. And on taking the LCM of 3 7 21, LCM is 20. 3 7 is multiplied by 7, minus 49. 7 3 is 21, 3 11 is multiplied by 3, 11 3 is 33. 21 1 is 21, so 5 is multiplied by 1, 5 itself, 5 is added as it is. So we have minus 49 minus 33 plus 5 upon 21, and then it is further simplified, minus 82 plus 5 upon 21, minus 49 and minus 43, when added that is minus 82. Minus 82 plus 5, their difference is 77, but we have to put the sign of larger number, so it will be minus 77 upon 21. And then on mixed fraction part, minus 3, 14 upon 21, then it is cancelled by 7, 7 to the 7 3, and finally we have minus 3, 2 upon 3. In question number 8, solution is there. We have to find the required number, and sum of the two number is given to us 9 upon 16, and out of these two number, one number is minus 5 upon 18, and we have to find out the second number. Second number, your required number will be sum minus first number, means 9 upon 16 minus first number, which is minus 5 upon 18. So 9 upon 16 minus minus become plus, so 9 upon 16 plus 5 upon 18. LCM of 16, 18 is 144. But 16, 9 is 144, so 9 is multiplied by 9, we have 81. So, and then 18, 8 is 144, so 5 is multiplied by 8, we have 40. In the numerator, we have the 81 plus 40, denominator 144 as it is. Finally, we have 121 upon 144. Moving to question number 9. Here we have to subtract the sum of minus 5 upon 15 and 7 upon 12 from 1. First we have to find the sum, and then this sum have to be subtracted from 1. Here sum is calculated in the first step. LCM of 15 and 10, 30. Then 15 2s are 4, minus 4 multiplied by 2 minus 8. 10 3s are 30. 7 multiplied by 3, 21. 21 minus 8 is 13. So finally sum is 13 upon 30. And now we have to subtract the sum from 1 to obtain required number. So required number is 1 minus the sum, 1 minus 13 upon 30, and on taking LCM we get 30 minus 13 upon 30, which is 17 upon 30. Question 10 is for absolute value. First, we have to solve the rational number within the absolute value part, and then we have to take it out from the absolute value and write it with positive. 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 5. Solved within the absolute value part. 5 minus 3 upon 15, which is 2 upon 15, and then it is taken out from the absolute value part. We have 2 upon 12, 15. Same is the case with part B. First it is solved within the absolute value part. 2 upon 5 plus minus 7 upon 10. The smaller bracket is removed. 2 upon 5 minus 7 upon 10. LCM 5 and 10, 10. 5 2s are and 2 2s are 4. 10 1s are and 7 1s are 7. 4 minus 7 will be minus 3. So we get minus 3 upon 10 in absolute value. But when taking out from the absolute value, there will be no sign. So our final answer is purely numerical value, means 3 upon 10 only. Absolute value is purely numerical without any sign. This was told to you in the definition part. Part C is again we have to solve within the bracket. Minus minus become plus, so it will automatically become plus within the absolute value part 2 upon 7, and taken out from the absolute value we have pure numerical value 2 upon 7. I'm moving to question number 11. We have to subtract the mixed fraction, timing spent by Vikram and timing spent by her sister, and we have to find that how much more time was spent by Vikram than her sister. And Vikram spent 3.5 hours and her sister spent 1 upon 4 hours. So how much more means we have to subtract. So 2 1 upon 4 is subtracted from 3 1 upon 2, means 7 upon 2 minus 9 upon 4. On taking LCM we get 14 minus 9 upon 4, which is 5 upon 4, and on converting it in mixed fraction we will get 1 upon 4, which means that Vikram spends 1 upon 4 hour more time than her sister. Moving to question number 12. Here LCM of 4 and 3 is 12 and it is converted into equivalent fraction. Both are multiplied by 3 here to obtain 12 in the denominator. Here both are multiplied by 4 to obtain the denominator 12, which is LCM. So here we have obtained 9 upon 12 and for the second rational number we have obtained 8 upon 12, and after obtaining these two equivalent fractions we clearly observe that 9 is greater than 8, which means that 3 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 3, and it means that Rita lives farther from school, means her distance from school is farther, means more, farther means more. And how much more? The difference is calculated. 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 3, 9 upon 12 minus 1, 8 upon 12, equivalent fractions are subtracted, 1 upon 12. So Rita lives 1 upon 12 kilometer farther than Veena, means Rita lives 1 upon 12 kilometer more distance than Veena. Coming to exercise 3.5. Third question you have to do same as solved in the example 1 and fourth as example 2. You have to follow the examples for doing these two questions. And when we are moving to question number 5, A part, bracket part, we have to solve the, firstly we have to solve bracket part. 3 upon 4 plus 7 upon 8, and when it is solved we get 6 plus 7 upon 8, which is 13 upon 8. Then this second bracket part is calculated, 11 upon 13 minus 5 upon 26, so 22 minus 5 upon 26, cancelled out. When we get cancelled, we get 17 upon 8 into 16. Now on converting in mixed fraction part, we get 1 upon 16. So here both brackets, both sum are multiplied. Here in B part also there are 3 rational numbers, and again the sum of these 3 rational numbers are multiplied in the same manner. Firstly LCM taken, first bracket is calculated, and we have 20 minus 15 plus 24 upon 30. And secondly, second bracket is calculated, LCM 15, and then in the numerator part we have 5 plus 6 minus 4, and on solving these two brackets we get 29 upon 30 multiplied by 7 upon 15. Remember, we have to multiply them, not add, not subtract. So no need to take LCM here. Here we have to cancel if required. Here no number can be cancelled here. So multiply 29 by 7, 203, multiply 30 by 15, 450. So final answer is 203 upon 450. In question 6, remember here we have plus sign, means we have to add, and within the bracket we have multiplication sign, we have to multiply. So during multiplication no need to take LCM, just cancel and multiply. 7 2s are 14 and 3 4s are 12, cancellation, and we have minus 1 upon minus 8, which on minus sign will also get cancelled, we purely get 1 upon 8. And second bracket 3 5s are 15, and this is the cancellation, and we get minus sign will also get cancelled, 1 6 is 6 and 5 is 25, so we will get 6 upon 25, both are positive. Now they are added, and here we have to take the LCM. LCM of 8 and 25, 200, and 8 multiplied by 25 is 200, so 1 is multiplied by 25. 25 8s are 200, so 6 is multiplied by 8, which is 48. 25 plus 48 is 73, and finally we get 73 upon 200. Moving to part B, again mixed fractions are there within the bracket which we have to multiply, and then we have to subtract those brackets. Instead of adding, we have to subtract here. And while solving the bracket, we are multiplying here, so we have to cancel. Before cancellation, first convert them in improper fraction. 3 plus 6, 1 plus 1, 7 upon 3. 7 4 the 28 plus 5, 33 upon 7. 11 to the 22 plus 8, 30 upon 11. Denominator remain as it is. 18 3 the 54 plus 1, 55 upon 3. And then cancellation, 3 11 the 33, 7 7 directly get cancelled. We have only 11 for first bracket. Minus, now in the second bracket, 3 10 the 30, 11 5 the 55, 10 5 the 50. We have minus 50. Minus sign is 2 times occurring here simultaneously, so minus minus become plus. So we have 11 plus 50, which is 61. So our final answer is 61. Now we are moving to the next question. Next exercise. This is for unitary method also. This is word problem also. This is for exercise 3.5. Cost of 1 meter cloth is 62 upon 3 rupees, which is 50 upon 3. Cost of 1 upon 4 meter cloth, which we have to calculate. Then 50 upon 3 will be multiplied by 1 upon 4, the length of the cloth. And length of the cloth on improper fraction will be 9 upon 4, 40 by 8 plus 1, 9. On cancelling, 3 3 the 9 and 2 to the 4, 25 the 50. 25 multiplied by 3 in the numerator part, which is 75, and 1 multiplied by 2 in the denominator part, which is 2. Finally, we get 75 upon 2, means cost of 1 upon 4 meter cloth is 75 upon 2, and in mixed fraction part it is 37 1 upon 2, and we can also write it as decimal part, rupees 37.50. Distance covered, this is 10th question. In 1 hour, 45 1 upon 2 kilometers, converted in mixed fraction part, 45 into 2, 90 plus 1, 91 upon 2. Distance covered in 3 1 upon 7 hours, 91 upon 2 into 22 upon 7. Cancellation is done. We have 13 into 11 in the numerator part, and denominator part 1 into 1 only. So finally we get 143, means distance covered in 3 1 upon 7 hours is 143 kilometers.